Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different and I'm really excited for today's video. In today's video I'm going to try Wigs from Prizer. Prizer is a app where you can shop just like you can shop on the app Wish. You can also shop on the website. They have everything, like you can buy literally everything. You can buy clothing, you can buy wigs, you can buy like things for your kitchen, you can buy beauty products, you can buy like wigs, you can buy everything for your iPhone, you can buy accessories, you can buy literally everything you can find on other websites like this. But the difference is that on Prizer everything is so much cheaper and the shipping is so much faster. I received everything which I ordered from Prizer after 2 weeks. Usually when you're ordering something from like sites like this, and if the product is shipped from China, it takes like 2 months, sometimes even like 3 months, and I received everything after 2 weeks and I was like, girl, this is fast, because I ordered before from so many like websites like this and it takes 2 or 3 months. Also, the difference between Prizer and other websites like this is that you can buy the products like with regular price. Also, you can share the product on your social media just like Facebook, and you are getting like discount and you can buy the product for the half of the price. And yes guys, all the links will be in the description. And yes, by the way, if any of the products is sold out, make sure you go on the website and search the name of the product. And this is how you can find. There is like so many of the same product. By the way, my hair are looking messy today, but I'm going to try wigs. This is why I'm like happy with it. Okay, let's try this. This is looking cute. Okay guys, and without further ado, let's get started.
All those days trying to find a place where you only can just be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Okay guys, this is the first wig. This is how it looks like. This is like natural looking long straight hair. This is how it's described on the website. It comes with this like clips you can adjust and you can secure the wig so much better. It feels very soft. It feels like almost like it feels like real hair. This was like $10 and yes. Also, it comes with this wig cap, which is amazing. I already have my wig cap on, and let's try the wig. Okay, let's try this wig. Okay, this looks so cute. The hair are a little bit messy guys because I was trying to put this wig, but it looks cute, like hair everywhere. Like it feels like real hair guys, like it feels like real hair. This is not like full, like this is not front lace wig. Probably you know front lace wigs like look so much natural, like it looks like your real hair. But this is a synthetic wig and it's like $10, and For the price, it looks pretty good. This is what I'm saying. It fits me like amazing, like it's not moving, it's very comfortable, it's not itchy. Like I've watched so many videos when people are trying wigs and they're saying, oh, it's itchy, it's not comfortable, but this is very like comfortable and it's not itchy. Like this is like pretty. This is looking cute, right? Like I think this hair will look so like pretty on like hair buns or ponytail. And the ends of the hair, they look like real hair, like you can see. Like this wig looks pretty good. And if you're looking for a good affordable wig, I think this wig is amazing. And also for like pictures or the videos, this is going to look like amazing. For the price, I think this wig is so good and I like it. Okay guys, the next wig is this minty green hair. I'm really excited to try this one because this looks amazing and I really like this color. And let's try this. Also, this comes with a wig cap as well. Also this like clips you can secure the wig. And yes, okay, this one looks so pretty. The color is amazing. This is a little bit like big for my head, but let's try to but it still looks amazing and it's not moving like a lot. It's very comfortable. It's not itchy. The roots are a little bit different. This is like ombre hair. This is like a ombre wig, and the roots look a little bit messy because I was trying to put this wig. By the way guys, I don't have experience like putting wigs. Okay, the roots of this hair look a little bit like weird, but I think you can like you can do like different hairstyles with this wig, and you can wear this wig like on buns or like ponytail, like I said, but the color looks amazing. It's like stunning. It feels very soft, by the way, and this was like $14 if I'm not wrong, and I think for $14 this is pretty good. Like for pictures or for selfies, this is amazing, and I think I'm gonna use this wig a lot in my videos, and I really like it. Okay, let's try the last wig and see if it's good or not, but I really like this one. I like it. Okay, this wig is the like ombre pink wig. On the side it was looking a little bit different. The pink was more like I don't know, purple, let's say, pink, and this is more like, this is like pastel pink, light pink. But yeah, it comes with the hair clips, and let's try this. Hair everywhere. Okay, this one is like more like for Halloween type of wig. Also, if I'm going to do like bold makeup, like very colorful pink makeup, maybe I can wear this wig on buns or something like else. But this is not like wig you can wear every day or even in like selfies like this, because this is looking like more like Halloween like Halloween wig. But this was something like only $7. For $7, I think this is like normal, let's say. Maybe I'm not sure how it's going to look on different hairstyles, but for $7 it's worth it. It was only $7. My favorites are the first and minty green one, and this one can be really like good for Halloween like makeup tutorials, and yes, but for $7 I like it. Also guys, this hoodie which I'm wearing right now is from Prizer as well. This is very comfortable, very soft. This was $16 and it's very comfortable, not itchy, because I ordered so many products from different sites, and so many of these clothing and especially the clothing are very uncomfortable and very itchy. This is very comfortable and very soft. I really like it, and this is only $16. This is amazing. They have so many other like clothing, they have so many other products and so many other like things, and you can find everything, and I highly recommend you guys to check this website and to try some of the products, to buy something and try if you like it or not. I really like this. Okay guys, this is everything for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, subscribe if you are not already. Love you, see you next time, bye.